happens on the way home. You're able to regroup. You are able to make your way back, splitting up in similar teams. As you get there, your paused outside, and the year ones are brought in ahead. And as you make your way up, you find this waiting for you.
Okay.
Why is there a severe lack of... Oh. Huh.
He's in the middle of like a...
Little powwow.
Yeah.
In a
Where are we
similar
coming
spot
from
where
in
the
this route?
fiendish influence first started.
Yeah.
We're coming
So,
from this
feel
way.
free to throw yourself on there.
Okay.
Does it look
We're over
like
here, right?
Clint is
Like on this side.
being surrounded like it does within 10?
It certainly does.
On the right over here.
Oh no.
That,
Are we
that.
Are we dying?
No, I don't think it's
Are
a
we
we.
dying?
Your key thing.
Can I get an insight check on the situation?
Sure. Yeah. Roll it.
Oh, I didn't think. 8.
I'm good.
I got an 8.
Nope, 17.
I'm good at these though.
He's a god.
As you arrive, moments after the class has been brought up and Clint with them, you see paused him in the middle of all the people of the compound. And you hear Maven say unto him, Clint, did you really think we wouldn't notice how far you've fallen into darkness? That you've given yourself over to a fiend? It was noticed from the very first moment, and we will not abide such foolishness. You know, as well as I do, what the punishment for such actions is. He looks up to Donner, who just looks down to Clint before giving a slight nod. And you see Maven move his blade before Riker steps over and stops him.
It's his responsibility.
No way.
Before slowly walking up to you, Clint, putting a hand on your shoulder.
One last time, eh, Captain?
One last time. As you feel a familiar punch in your stomach, it is exacerbated by the warm blood leaking out from the dagger in your gut. As you all see Clint fall to the ground.
Better than last time.
Clint, is there anything you would say in these last moments?
Nope. Just look up. Had some gray skies.
And with that, we end.
I think I take a new point of madness.